Bonjour, s'il vous plaît. Welcome back to another episode of the Chrysler 300C Hot Wheels build, which has done nothing but stress me out all morning, if you'd see from the other video. So, obviously, I wanted a really deep grille. I made the deep grille frame, put the bumper on, and it didn't fit because the crash bar was in the way, and I didn't want to start making new crash bars and stuff because obviously I have no time for this build. So multiple times I've shaved it, finally got it to the right size, and it's now on the car. So now I've just got to shape it up, shape the exterior up, the front, make that all pretty round and, you know, all the measurements perfect, all the dimensions perfect, and then skim it up, get it ready, prep it up. I've still got to skim the splitter together with the front bumper, so I'm going to get on with that. Yeah, I'm out of juice now. What a nightmare. Massive shout out as well to Custom Paints, my custom paint supplier, who have partnered with me on the Chrysler 300C build. I am going to be the first person in the UK debuting the Candora, which is the new style of candy paint, which doesn't get attacked by UV damage like normal candies do. So if you're interested, go in the description. There's a link below. I'll tag them as well. Have a look for yourself. Right, it's late and I need to go home, so let's conclude today's video. The bumper, I'm a bit gutted about the depth because I made it to the correct depth how I wanted it, the vision, and then didn't realise the crash bar would be in the way. So I've reshaped it, resized it. I've actually managed to get a bit of filler work on there, and it's looking pretty cool. I was a bit worried halfway through, it started to look a bit ropey, but now it's starting to come together. I just wanted to get a bit of actual filler on there to start seeing what it actually looked like, and I am happy with how it's coming along. It's making sense, and yeah, exciting times. So hopefully within a couple of days this will be actually ready to go. I've still got to blend in the bottom and stuff, but once that's done we can start moving on to the rest of the car. So if you want to see the rest, obviously don't forget to subscribe. Come back tomorrow, I'll be posting a video every single day, and yeah, that's all. So have a good one. Thanks for watching. Toodle pips. See you in a bit. Much love.